Welcome to Easy Graphics. Come along and see Photoshop, Illustrator, from basic to pro so easily. Layers, colors, shapes, and lines. Design your dreams, make them shine. Oh, how to edit, create, design with me. With Canva, InDesign, set your ideas free. From AI tools to pixel perfect art.
Learn, explore, and make a fresh start.
Drop a shadow, blend it right. Turn your vision bold and bright. Logos, posters, branding too. Step by step, I'll guide you through.
Double click, one brush, one tool at a time. You'll master design, your skills will shine.
Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's create. With Easy Graphics, it's never too late. How to edit, create, design with me. With Canva, InDesign, set your ideas free. From AI tools to pixel perfect art. Learn, explore, and make your mark.
Blend it right, turn your vision bold and bright. Logos, posters, branding too. Step by step, I'll guide you through. Draw one click, one brush, one tool at a time. You'll master design, your skills will shine. Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's create. With Easy Graphics Networks, it's never too late.
You need to create, design with me. With Canva, InDesign, set your ideas free. From AI tools to pixel perfect art.
Join the fun and make your mark. Join the fun and make your mark.
Join the fun and make your mark.
One collage, one tool at a time.
You'll make your mark.
Like, subscribe, and stay inspired. With Easy Graphics, your skills go higher.
Welcome to Easy Graphics. Come along and see Photoshop, Illustrator, from basic to pro so easily. Layers, colors, shapes, and lines. Design your dreams, make them shine. Oh, how to edit, create, design with me. With Canva, InDesign, set your ideas free. From AI tools to pixel perfect art.
Learn, explore, and make a fresh start.
Drop a shadow, blend it right. Turn your vision bold and bright. Logos, posters, branding too. Step by step, I'll guide you through.
Double click, one brush, one tool at a time. You'll master design, your skills will shine.
Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's create. With Easy Graphics, it's never too late. How to edit,